Gypsy Pitmaster. Got some ahi tuna, some large shrimp, and we're blackening all that. We got some coconut rice, some mango pineapple salsa, and we're gonna serve that up in a few minutes. My son-in-law Frank came up with this recipe. What do you got to say, Frank?
It's looking pretty good, guys. Stay tuned for the end result.
There you go. The people say that people don't learn something from other people. I guess Frank has been learning.
Yeah, I guess so.
There you go. Thank God I'm not a whoremonger. We got our shrimp, our melted butter with garlic, our ahi tuna with some rice. No problem. Okay, this is for Frank. This is coconut rice, pineapple, ahi tuna. Oh, and I forgot to put the shrimps. I'll be putting the mango pineapple salsa right over this, and we'll be in a minute. We'll see you then. Hold on. Eat it, Frank.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Explain to me what you're tasting, Frank.
Regular rice to
The
it.
flavor is just overwhelming.
That's not regular.
And then it's still juicy at the same time, even though it's blackened. You can see some pink in here, which is exactly the way you're supposed to have it. It's just too much.
What do you think of the presentation?
It's beautiful. I've never seen this before.
Thank you.
Very good.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel, Gypsy Pitmaster, and you'll see food like this all the time.
Good stuff.
Should I give the baby some?
Mango pineapple salsa, served in the pineapple that the pineapple came out of. That's just because I'm a creative kind of guy.